Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to see the how to remove the virus from the system from Windows 7 operating system, because as you all know, Windows 7 operating system we doesn't have any update from Microsoft, and Microsoft Security Essentials also not working. If you download also, it is not getting installed. So that is the reason I feel today to work on how to remove the virus from Windows 7 operating system. So directly we'll enter into the instructions, which instructions will make the system to remove the virus. Okay, the instructions to remove virus from Windows 7 operating system I have displayed. The first instruction, if you see, it is clean, CLEAN, clean MGR. The second instruction is prefetch, PREFETCH. The third instruction is TREE. The fourth instruction is finally free antivirus you have to download and you have to remove. Okay. Now that free antivirus and in details we are going now. Now you are able to see the run command, the run window which we got. If you press Windows button and R, Windows button plus R, if you type, then we'll get the run window. In that you are going to give the instruction called clean MGR. Okay. Now after giving clean MGR, what will happen, we'll see now. Okay, now after giving OK, it is asking which drive you want to clean. Disk cleanup, drive selection, it is being specified. It is asking which drive you want to clean. Generally all the softwares we are going to install at C drive. That is the reason I am saying OK for the C drive only to clean up. Okay. OK I have given. After giving, it is saying calculating, disk cleanup it is doing, and finally this window it is getting displayed, where if you see the temporary files, the download program files are tick marked. By default it is tick marked. So then what you should say is, whatever it is default tick marked, that only you should take up and you should say OK. Once if you say OK, it will ask, are you sure you want to delete permanently delete these files? Then you have to say delete files. Then now it is starting cleaning the files permanently. This is the first instruction. With the help of this, all the temporary files which are not required, everything is cleaned up. Now the second instruction we are going. Now Windows plus R button I pressed in, will get a small window showing run window. In that you are going to write down the next instruction, which is prefetch, PREFETCH. After pressing, then you should click on OK. Once if you put OK, it is asking you don't currently have permission to access this folder. Click continue to permanently get access to this folder. Then you should say continue. It is asking continue and cancel. So I want to continue. After asking continue, it is asking, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. As soon as you give yes, this many unnecessary files are there in your system. Now what you should do is, you have to select all files and you have to delete. Okay. Then now what we are going to do, control all. You are going to select CNTRL and all. Then everything is selected. Then you should go for the delete. Now it is getting deleted. See here. Shift delete if you do, it will be very good. Permanently it will delete from your system. Now some files they are not able to delete, so you should try once. But if not possible, skip it up. Okay. Fine. That is the second instruction. Now we are going to the third instruction. Now the third instruction is again Windows plus R button, Windows and R button. If you press, then it will open a run window. In that you are going to give the instruction called TREE. If you give TREE, then you should press OK. Automatically it will come like this. The window will open and automatically the window closes also. With the help of this, 95% of your system is cleaned completely without any virus. Now left out 5%. What we have to do, sir? That 5% won't affect your system. Your system will be working as if it is very good. Now still, if you want to remove, then any free antivirus software which I've showed here. Here if you see the fourth instruction, finally free antivirus, you are going to download and make use of that. Now any free antivirus will work for 1 month or accordingly. Free means you all know how much time they will be giving and how much how it will work, you know. So first instruction, once again I am displayed clean MGR. Second instruction is prefetch. Third instruction is tree. Fourth instruction, finally free antivirus you are going to download. Like this you are going to protect your Windows 7 operating system. Later after some time you can move to Windows 10. Windows 10 has already inbuilt, everything is there, inbuilt antivirus, everything is given. So if internet facility is there, automatically it will take care. That's all for this window. Thank you. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.